Tired of your phone dying? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh portable charger is your ultimate power solution, ensuring you never run out of juice again. Imagine charging your iPhone over 6 times on a single charge. That's days of power for all your adventures. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, this high-capacity power bank is perfect for long trips, busy workdays, or just everyday peace of mind, making it the best portable charger for travel. What truly sets it apart is Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology, intelligently optimizing charging speeds for any device, delivering power as fast as safely possible. Plus, its dual USB ports mean you can power up 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for sharing with a friend or charging your phone and tablet at once. This isn't just a battery, it's a versatile, smart charging hub designed for maximum convenience and reliability, ideal for anyone looking to buy a power bank that truly performs. Anker's commitment to quality and safety is evident, packing enormous power into a surprisingly sleek and durable design that's ready for anything you throw at it. If you're ready to upgrade your charging experience, check out the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh via the link in the description below. For unparalleled battery life and smart charging on the go, this is undoubtedly the top-rated portable charger you need in 2025. Don't let a dead battery hold you back. Grab your Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh today and stay powered always.